Hi guys, welcome back to Nat 5 and to another example of the quadratic formula. This is quadratic formula number 2. Okay, so these ones have got negative signs in it. So remember the first video, we discovered what A and what B represented and what C represented using the quadratic formula. So your A was your coefficient of x squared, which is 2. Your B was your coefficient of x, which is negative 4. So just be very careful. That whole negative is a coefficient there. And then your C again is your negative 2. Okay, the sign is included. You're going to substitute all of this into your quadratic formula, which is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So whenever b appears, replacing it with your b. So be very careful at this point. I think I said this in the last video. So you've got a negative sign already there, and then you're going to replace that b with negative 4. So you're going to write negative 4 plus or minus the square root of negative 4 all squared. Take away 4 times b. A is 2 and c is negative 2. All divided by 2a, and a is 2, so 2 times 2. Okay, so just sort this out. If you've got a negative and a negative like this here, you know that it makes a positive, so it's 4 plus or minus the square root of negative 4 squared is 16. And then be very careful here. This is where people make mistakes. You've got a negative 4 and a negative 2 here, so you should know straight away that your answer is going to be a positive. So it is going to be positive 16 all over 2 multiplied by 2, which is 4. Keep going. So I don't reach for my calculator until I've tidied it all up. So 16 is 16 is 32 all over 4. And then they're going to separate into 2 different solutions. Remember what you're doing here. You're finding where it cuts your roots, where it cuts the x-axis. And we're talking about a parabola here, which looks like this. And it looks like it's going to cut at 2 places, so you've got 2 solutions for this particular question. So we've got x equals 4 add root 32 all over 4, and you've got x equals 4 subtract root 32 all over 4. And again, you can use your fraction button to help you with this. So just type this in now. The first one is giving me an answer of 2.4142. It tells me I want it 2 decimal places. So 1, 2, that's my decider. It's under 5, so it doesn't change the number beside it. So it's 2.41. And the one over here, root 4 take away root 32 all over 4. And that's giving me an answer of negative 0.4142. Again, 2 decimal places. 1, 2, this is my decider. This 4 doesn't do anything. So the number besides it stays the same, so it's negative 0.41. And remember what that means then. It means you've got coordinate axes. And there's going to be like a negative 0.41, and there's going to be a positive 2.41, and this parabola should look like this here. Okay, so we use the quadratic formula when we are unable to factorize it because the numbers are too tricky. They're not nice friendly numbers. I'm going to flash up another slide now, and it's your turn to try. I've gave the answers too, so here you go, your turn. Good luck. See you later. Thanks for watching. Bye now.